How can a guy quickly level up his appearance and become handsome within 10 minutes? First step, shave your beard. Showering and cleansing. Step 2, take a shower. Men should definitely avoid looking greasy or oily. Once you look oily, it immediately makes you look dirty. Thoroughly wash your face until it's completely clean. After washing your face, you'll instantly feel much more refreshed. Oral care and skin care prep. Step 3. We must take good care of our oral hygiene. Clean your tongue coating properly. Okay, next, to make it easier to apply tone-up cream/makeup, we can use a light moisturizer lotion as a base. Make sure to pat the lotion into your face until it gives a matte finish. Base and tone-up cream. Next is the most crucial step. Choose a tone-up cream that closely matches your skin tone. Okay, no need to squeeze out too much. Just a 3-finger amount like this. Apply and spread it evenly across your face. Wipe off any excess tone-up cream on your lips. Wait about 10 minutes to let it oxidize slightly, and it will look much more natural. Okay, the facial skincare prep is completely done. Next, let's go change clothes. Hairstyling and final look. Let's go fix the hair. We can prepare some hair clay. It must be hair clay because clay won't give you that greasy look. A 2-finger size amount is enough. Rub it between both hands until it's completely spread out and invisible. Then apply it onto your hair. See? Not greasy at all, right? Very fresh. Finally, spray some setting spray.